Namaskar. This is Seshu Chira welcoming you all back to Hamska Academy. I thank all those who have subscribed to my channel. If you have not done yet, please consider subscription. Right. Today in grade 7, the Delhi Sultanate rulers, let us learn about Masjid, a holy place, Masjid. We are going to look at understanding why did the Delhi Sultanate rulers have given lot of importance to the holy places and construction of the holy places. So the word masjid is an Arabic word. A mosque is called masjid in Arabic. A mosque is called masjid in Arabic. So the word mosque in Arabic language is called as masjid. Literally, where the people, or especially the Muslims, prostrates in reverence to Allah. So we are talking here about the Islam followers. Whoever follows Islam are known as Muslims. These people lay down and offer themselves to their God, Lord Allah. They completely surrender themselves and pray to Lord Allah. So in a congregational mosque, in a masjid, example, the Jama Masjid, Muslims read their prayers together. We might have observed in many places, the masjids are filled with people, those who do their prayers on day-to-day basis, especially on Fridays, they all gather together and offer prayers. Means they read the prayers. These prayers are called as namaz. These prayers are called as namaz. They all read it together. So the holy place, mosque, is known as masjid in Arabic language. All the Muslims, the Islam religious followers, surrender themselves to Lord Allah and they all together read their prayers known as namaz. The members of the congregation, all the members of the particular mosque, choose their most learned or respected male member as their leader. So they choose one among them who is an learned man, who is respected most, will be their leader to lead them in the prayers. They are not doing for any political party leadership. They are selecting themselves for leading them in the religious matters, to guide them towards God. So they are called as imams. They are called as imams. What do? They offer the rituals of prayers. They offer the rituals of prayers. Similarly, he also delivers a sermon. Sermon means a religious speech or delivering a concept on the religious context is called as sermon, which is maybe in Arabic it is called as khutbah. So the elected male member is called imam. He delivers a sermon known as khutbah on Friday prayer sessions, or every week, every Friday they all gather, they do the prayers, and on that day the elected leader among the congregation gathers there, and these all people will carefully listen to the speech or the sermon given by our elected leader imam. In India, most of the Muslims or all the Muslims face to the west. Why do they face to the west? Because when they are praying, the Islams or the Muslims have to face towards the Mecca region. When they are facing towards the Makkah region or Mecca region, they are actually looking at the location of Makkah. When they are looking at the location of Makkah from India, it is towards Afghanistan, Persia, and then you get the Makkah region. So in Makkah region, if you look at the location towards India, it is exactly towards the western side. That is the reason why all the Muslims look towards the west and offer their prayers. This method of looking towards Makkah is known as Qibla. What is it known as? Qibla. So today we discussed about what is mosque called in Arabic, what are the prayers called, namaz, what is the leader, elected leader called imam, what is the sermon called khutbah, and we also learned about Qibla, looking towards Makkah side and offering the prayers. Why did the Delhi Sultanate rulers have given so much of importance for building the mosques in their cities as well as all over the Indian subcontinent? Why means the rulers of Delhi Sultan want to claim themselves as the protectors of Islam and Muslims, as the protectors of Islam and Muslims. So they want to take care of all the Islam followers. So they built a lot of mosques to create a sense of community of believers. We all, the Islam followers, will gather here. Every Friday, we will offer prayers. We will have a leader to lead us towards the Lord. So they want to create that sense of community believers. And they also belong to different backgrounds. They came from Persia, they came from Afghanistan. So there are communities who came from different regions but follow Islam. So in order to create a common shared belief system and a code of conduct, it was necessary for the rulers of Delhi Sultan to create this background, to build the mosques and make all these people feel that they all are a single community. Maybe you might be coming from different regions, but we all are one community people. That is the reason why they have set certain code of conduct, certain things to practice, and to be an idea to reinforce that this is a common community. The Muslims came from variety of backgrounds. So it is very, very necessary to reinforce the idea of community because there was very less in number, might be. That's why the rulers of Delhi Sultan gave a lot of importance in construction of several mosques in the city as well as across the subcontinent. So today we learned about what are the important points, why did the Delhi Sultans focus on building more mosques in the Indian subcontinent, and also we understood how the procedure in the mosque happens, why they look at west and do the prayers. Hope you all understood. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe.